Hello and welcome to this video series on understanding, identifying, and treating structural dysfunctions that are often the root cause of our clients' chronic pains. My name is Zach Comer and I'm very excited to have you here with me. In this video, we're going to cover, is this information a good fit for you? What is the Hesch Method? An overview. Who am I, and why do I want to bring this information to you? So let's dive into identifying if this information is a good fit for you. I would say if any of the following resonate deeply with you, you're in the right place. If you desire to have a stronger understanding of how the body works, both at the level of individual structure and how these different parts fit together as a whole, you're in the right place. If you're someone who truly wants to help your clients graduate from pain management into resolving the deeper root causes of their pain, you're in the right place. If you want to help certain clients who are going around on the treatment roller coaster, maybe they're new clients showing up in your office. They've seen other therapists before, they've had their hopes up, maybe they've made some improvements along the way, but fundamentally, at the end of the day, they're coming to you for the same reason now that they've seen other clients, and you really want to help them get off that roller coaster and find the best results that they can possibly achieve, you're in the right place. If you want a better roadmap for how to organize your treatments so that you get faster results, longer lasting, often permanent results, and are able to accomplish it in a way that's not only more gentle on your clients' bodies, but easier on your body, more gentle for you, both energetically and in terms of the physical demands as well. All of these would be good reasons to move forward with this material. And the final thing I'll offer to you is that if you're just ready for that next chapter of your career, perhaps you're ready to take a quantum leap like I did when this information came into my life, from being an excellent pain management therapist to being one who understood the body at such a deeper level, who was able to take my other skills and stack them on top of this foundational understanding, then you're in the right place, because perhaps you have your own skill set at this point and you have a sense that maybe there's just something missing that can help you get even better results. Then this information is for you. Now, this course is essentially an introduction to the Hesch Method. So what is the Hesch Method in a nutshell? It is an organized system of evaluation and treatment of joint, muscle, and connective tissue dysfunctions that are often a root cause, if not the major cause, of our clients' chronic pains. I like to refer to it as the missing link in the manual therapy world. That's what it turned out to be for me after 16 years prior to studying it. All these different things that I'd studied all really came together, and I was able to consolidate them with a stronger foundation of treatment, stacking these things on top. Because before, it was just these parts didn't quite fit together the way I wanted them to. Once I understood the Hesch Method, everything kind of came together, answered so many of the questions that I had unanswered before. I've talked to other practitioners of the method, and they oftentimes use that same type of language, filling in missing knowledge gaps. So that's why I call it the missing link. Let me tell you a little bit about who I am. Again, my name is Zach Comer, and I am a medical massage and exercise therapist based in Asheville, North Carolina, and the name of my practice is Asheville Medical Massage. Over the years, in addition to my manual therapy and corrective exercise therapy background, I have done a deep dive into natural postural alignment therapies, learning how to teach my clients to sit, stand, breathe, and move through the activities of daily living and the more strenuous activities of life in ways that put less wear and tear on their bodies and can oftentimes be a significant piece to helping reduce or eliminate their pains. I'm a certified personal trainer, and over the course of 4 years designed and developed a method of personal training that I called High Performance Aging, that was functional fitness programming for my clients that were ready to graduate from pain management into strengthening their body, their whole body, increasing mobility, flexibility, and overall strength, particularly for the aging body. As part of that, I co-authored a book called High Performance Aging, the Over 50 Exercise Guide to Less Pain, More Energy, and a Body You Can Rely On for Life. I've been voted Best of Massage Therapist for Western North Carolina 11 times. I share all these things about me so that you understand that prior to learning the Hesch Method, I had a substantial knowledge base about the body. I had a lot of tools in my toolkit for helping clients manage their pains, sometimes eliminate their pains. But I've always been on the search for more. And when I found the Hesch Method, again, it became a missing link, a foundational piece would be another way to describe it, that is now the beginning of how I approach all treatments. And I don't do any of those other things that I described with you until I've evaluated and treated based on the Hesch Method first. And then we move on to stacking these other skills if and when it's necessary for clients to continue their progress. Why do I want to share this information with you? Again, I started learning the Hesch Method about 2.5 years ago, and it was, for me, a quantum leap in my knowledge of how to treat the body. As much as I still enjoy working on clients directly and helping them improve their well-being with the various skills that I've described, I, at this point, want to help elevate the standard of care in our industry of manual therapy. I want to help you as an individual therapist do that for yourself, and I want to help us as a collective be able to do that as well, because those of us who are dedicated to this profession, sometimes I feel like we deserve better education, and there's always more to learn. So this was a missing piece for me that I'd like to bring to you. So I'm excited to bring you this information. I hope that you'll stick with me through the rest of this series. In future videos, I'm going to cover a little bit about who is Jerry Hesch and how did he create the Hesch Method. Then we're going to move on to understanding the body through the lens of the Hesch Method. And from there, principles and demonstrations of evaluation and treatment of joint dysfunctions. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for being with me.